Hi friends, I'm Sammy Mila, your host of Extra Sweet, and today I'm inviting all of you to make these really cute desserts in jars. So first step in all of these jars is the berries. Macerate them, and what that means is that we're gonna soften the berries in a liquid, and the liquid for this today is going to be a combination of the juice that comes out of the berries and the sugar that I'm going to add to it. So it doesn't really need a set amount because it's all about the functionality. Very exciting. Get it? No? Okay, that's fine. So I'm just gonna give these guys a little stir. To bump up the flavor, you can definitely add some citrus. You can do like lime or lemon, orange maybe. If you want to rush the process a little bit, you can take a fork or a potato masher and smash them down a little bit. Kind of get some of those juices flowing. There are raspberries in here somewhere, but I think I smushed them all. And I've literally just been giving them a little toss. And I'm just gonna let these sit, maybe just for a couple minutes to really get them nice and soft before we start building our jars. Oh my God, he has a friend, look! There's a blueberry stuck inside a raspberry. I'm saving that for myself. The first one I'm gonna show you guys how to make is a cheesecake jar, and that starts with some graham cracker crumbs, a cheesecake mixture that I put in a zip top bag, and this doesn't have any eggs in it, so you don't have to bake it. Totally safe to eat. You can definitely just spoon it in, whatever you're comfortable with. Next up are berries. I'm just gonna make another layer, exact same thing, just to top off our jar. If you wanna be extra sweet, like me, we can top it with a little whipped cream, do a little sprinkle rain, the best rain out there. Rain ruins my hair. Shortcake. So you can use biscuits, like even store-bought biscuits work fine. Just make sure they're sweet, so if you sprinkle it with sugar or add a little sugar to the dough, that would be perfect. I have pound cake today, which works just as well. And then to this, I'm gonna add the same berries from earlier. And then for this one, I'm gonna add whipped topping. I'm gonna do a little lemon zest to this one just to keep it kind of fresh. You can even do like a cute little lemon curl. Boom, done. Super easy, super yummy. And that, my friends, is love. Next on our list, Parfait. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, midnight, all the time. We have yogurt, granola, and berries. One more time. Cue the slow-mo. The next jar we have is a chocolate pudding jar because chocolate is everything. Start off with vanilla wafers. Got my chocolate pudding here in a zip top bag. And back to the true star of this show, my berries. Just gonna encase that one blackberry just like that. Chocolate rain. Ta-da! Last jar is a berry pie. These luscious berries. And there's pie crust that I baked with a little cinnamon sugar. And just store-bought pie crust. You can use homemade if you're fancy. More berries, more pie crust, more whipped topping, and cinnamon rain. That's it for this one. So we took one giant bowl of macerated berries and turned them into 5 super cute desserts that I just happened to put in these 5 super cute jars. Another cool thing to do, take one of these, shortcake guy, I'm just gonna dump it in this blender here with some ice cream, blend it up, and drink it. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you guys next time. We're done, right? Everyone good? Okay. Yep, I can drink that all day.